Hello viewers, I am Maitri. Today we are going to see 11 CBSE Maths Permutations and Combination exercise 7.3. Question number 8. Let's see the question. How many words without meaning can be formed using all the letters of the word equation using each letter exactly once? This can be done in two ways. I'll teach you both the method, opt and easy method. Now, as we have done before, we used to draw boxes to fill each and every word. We will find the number of ways each boxes can be filled. The same way we can use boxes for the term equation, for the word equation. Now equation. So I have written the number of boxes here as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are totally 8 letters. So the first box it has written exactly once. So we need to fill it with exactly only one letter. There is no repetition. Exactly once means no repetition. If I want to fill my first box, I can fill with any letter. Any letter can be filled here. It can be E, it can be U, it can be A, it can be T, it can be I, O or N. So it can be filled with 8 ways. I can write any letter in the first box. So it can be filled in 8 ways. If I fill one letter here, if I fill with A, I can't write A anywhere because it is exactly once I need to fill the letter. As I have already written it here, I can't write it, I can't repeat it. So I can fill this letter. Leaving A, I can fill the second box with exactly 7 ways. I can write any 7 letters from the given letters. So here it can be filled with 6 ways because we have written two letters over here. The rest of the 6 we can fill it here. It can be filled with any 6 letters. Here with 5, same with 4, 3, 2, 1. So the total number of ways will be 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. 20 into 6. Here it is 120. 42. Now multiply this 2. If I multiply this 2, 12 3s are. It is 40320. So the total number of ways to fill equations is 40320. Now we'll move on to the second method. This is the first method. You can use this method or you can also use this method. Here we are selecting from the word equation. So we know that there are total number of letters here is 8. From the 8 letter word, I need to select a 8 letter. There is no condition. We are going to select all the 8 letters to form a different types of words. We are just combining all the letters. So we are going to select all the 8 letter word here. So from the 8 letter, I am selecting all the 8 letters. So it is 8P8. You know the formula of NPR, which is n factorial by n minus r factorial. The same way here, 8 factorial by 8 minus 8 factorial. This will become 0 factorial. 0 factorial is not 0. I have given you in the introduction video that 0 factorial is 1. So it is only 8 factorial. 8 factorial we have already written it here. 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 1, which is nothing but 40320 ways. So the total number of ways is 4032 ways. We can do either that method or this method, anything which is easy for you. That's all with the sum. Thank you.